I'm gonna wash my balls with this hand.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Mm-hmm. Forced. Oh, hit. Oh, there's.
Whoa. Whoa, what? Where?
Just kidding.
You stupid bitch. I almost walked through that.
Come on, bro. Put on.
Oh my god. I almost. Chelsea,
Alright, let's do
Oh
it.
my
like,
god. In the video, you can't even see there's a dog there, so it looked like you were just slapping your nuts.
Where at? I know, you pushed me. He pushed me.
Corey, go to gun school. No.
Shit. That hurt my wrist.
let's go! Let's go, baby!
You bitch. You broke him again. Boom. Watch out. You almost decapitated my girlfriend.
DiCaprio!
Damn it! You trash in here.
No way.
How else are we gonna do this?
Just like that, you wipe your
I have to wipe with my right hand too.
No, you do not!
I don't wipe.
No, you do
I
not!
wipe with my left.
Well, guess what? You're an ambidextrous bitch now. Let's do it.
Alright. I need both of my arms. Thanks, Kian. It'd be nice if you helped every once in a while.
Stop, dude!
What?
Don't f***ing touch me. It's not
I
funny.
need to wash my hands. Hey, I need to
Stop!
wash my hands.
Don't!
Then come your ass back in here.
Stop touching. Stop, dude. Ow, you punched me in the face. Ow. What's up, everybody? We're doing a little bit of cornhole where we're playing a game.
You kicked me in the face like 9 times last night, dude.
That's not my fault.
Dude, ow, you f***er, that's gonna hurt. Oh! Are you okay? Are you okay? Dude, this is gonna suck balls.
Are you really taking your boxers off? You nasty little Hold on.
You just call him dad?
I'm doing too many things
Yeah,
at
because
once.
he's driving.
What am I?
Brother.
Weird Uncle Steve.
What are you? Bitch ass stupid cousin? Dude, what the hell are you doing?
What are you doing? I'm living
Don't go that
I'm
way.
living my life.
You can hug her with one hand and then me with one hand.
Thank you very much, sir.
Where are you heading to?
Mashed.
Last time, no,
Yeah,
catching the way up.
Come on. He's my little monkey for today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That was easier than I thought. You.
Shout out Jesus.
Dude, you spit it back in the cup, you.
I just choked on ice and you don't care.
You spit it back in the cup!
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent.